Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Step 1. Prepare your Excel worksheet with a header row and data rows. Begin by cleaning blanks, trimming extra spaces, and ensuring consistent formats for dates and numbers. Columns must be named exactly as XML elements will appear. Use short alphanumeric names with no special characters to avoid mapping errors. Save the workbook as an XLSX file before mapping. Keep one sheet for export and move lookup tables to separate sheets. Back up the file so you can revert if mappings need adjustment. Step 2. Create or open an XML schema file, XSD. Define elements and simple types. For example, use string, integer, or date types and specify required fields. Map each XML element to its Excel column using developer source, dragging elements onto header cells. If Developer tab is hidden, enable it in Excel options under Customize ribbon. Save the XSD alongside the workbook so paths remain consistent. Test with a small sample row to confirm types and namespaces are applied correctly before exporting the full dataset. Step 3. Map columns, export, and validate the XML file. After mapping, select Export from the Developer XML group and choose a file name such as Data Export, XML. Use Export XML to produce a well-formed XML file. Excel writes elements in the order and nesting defined by the schema. Open the XML in a text editor to spot namespace or encoding issues. Validate the output against the XSD using an XML validator or online tool. Fix mismatches, and repeat export until the file passes validation for production use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.